This is B's Sports. Today we're looking at the Husqvarna MZ6128 zero-turn lawnmower. By the model number, that means it's a 61-inch deck, 28-horse Briggs & Stratton. This has the fabricated deck on it, 11 gauge. Has the very large caster wheels, greasable. Largest frame in the industry with tie-down holes. There's your Briggs & Stratton 28 horsepower Endurance Series, which is more of your commercial mower. This has the commercial ZT3400 drive system. 2 separate fans for the motors. There's your battery. Basically, when you lift up the seat, you have access to everything underneath there. Five-gallon fuel capacity. All of your blade spindles are greasable. Of course, this can come up if need be. You have your height adjustment for your deck. This of course comes up so you have access to the complete deck underneath that when servicing. Parking brake. This would be a commercial style zero turn. Has a low profile design. There's you would turn your deck on right here, throttle, hour meter, and of course your key switch. And again, this is B's Sports. We're looking at the Husqvarna MZ6128. And we have it at a low price of $49.99.95. Any questions at all, make sure to give us a call at 1-800-233-7720 or visit our website at www.bs-sports.com. Thank you.